In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LaTeX add-in or syntax for equations in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll be able to write clean, professional equations directly in your slides, either using PowerPoint's built-in LaTeX support or with a dedicated LaTeX add-in. Let's start with the built-in option. Open your slide and go to Insert, then choose Equation. PowerPoint will create an equation box wherever your cursor is. Inside that box, you can type your math using LaTeX. If you like to be explicit, you can start and end inline expressions with backslash parentheses, like backslash left parenthesis and backslash right parenthesis. But in many cases, you can simply type LaTeX commands directly. For example, type backslash frac curly brace, a curly brace slash curly brace, b curly brace, to create a fraction a over b. As you type, press space to render your code into a formatted equation. If it doesn't render, check that your backslashes and braces are correct, then press space again. You can click back into the rendered equation to edit the LaTeX at any time and press space to update. When it looks right, move the equation box where you want it and use the corner handles to resize so it matches your slide's design. If you prefer more features or a dedicated interface, you can use a LaTeX add-in. Go to Insert, then Get Add-ins and search for LaTeX. Choose a trusted add-in, such as MathType or MyScriptMath, and install it. Once it's added, open the Add-ins panel or dialog and follow its prompts to input your equations with LaTeX code. The add-in will handle rendering and insertion for you, and many provide extra formatting controls or compatibility options. After your equation is inserted, position it on the slide and resize as needed so it's readable from the back of the room. When you're satisfied, save your presentation to make sure all LaTeX formatting is preserved. This is especially important if you've used an add-in, since saving ensures the add-in's objects and formatting are retained when you reopen the file or share it. To reuse your work, simply copy an equation from one slide to another, just like any other object. This is great for keeping notation consistent across a deck. For equations you use often, you can save them as building blocks if that workflow is available in your setup, so you can insert them quickly in future presentations without retyping the LaTeX. That's it. Use the built-in LaTeX for quick equations, or an add-in for enhanced control. And remember to save and reuse to keep your slides efficient and consistent.